Welcome back, everyone. This is Mike Brookman with RADAN. Today, we're going to be taking a look at how do you fold a part up from flat into RADAN 3D. Let's dive in. Well, in the example we have on the screen right now, perhaps you work in a job shop and you get files sent to you all the time. And sometimes they'll have extra information on it, like this one does with the bend lines, and sometimes they don't. If they do, as long as they're dashed like these, when we check the geometry, RADAN's going to ignore it while it does its geometry checks. To bend this up from flat, we can create a template. We can tell it, like it is in my case, the geometry is in pen 1, an up bend is in pen 3, a down bend is in pen 4, a bend default radius of 60 thou, a default bend angle of 90 degrees, etc. So we can save this, which I'm just going to cancel this away. Because in order for that to work, we need to then change my lines to be in those colors. So let's just do that. Come over here to the guy holding the paper, to the edit common properties, and we're going to change pen color to green, and we're going to say these are up bends. I'm going to change pen color to blue, pen 4, say those are down bends. Then when I go back to my upfold from template, I can confirm that's what I've done, and I click OK, and it's done it for me. So it's added that information. I can see now when I click on this, it's highlighting this bend and this bend are my blue down bends, and those 4 are my up bends. So from there, I just simply click fold up. It's going to ask me if I want to upfold. I'll say sure. Just doing a little dance over here, reading my bends. Successfully created a 3D upfold. That's great. Now I'm going to click on 3D. I'm going to say, yeah, save my changes to my part. And there's my part in RADAN 3D. That's worked really well. Let's go ahead and pass that over to RADBEDN. So we'll click on RADBEDN. We'll use our pick. We'll pick that this is our top and apply. Now what's going to happen is it's going to shoot it across over to RADBEDN. It's going to unfold that part again and assign bend sequence. So as you can see now up in our top window here, this is it unfolded, similar to how we drew it. It's got its bounding box. It's got the bend sequence assigned to it, so we just need to add a machine. We'll click on automatic. It'll choose our tools to be set up. It's got our tools. We can move these around. If we hover over this, it kind of tells us what tools it's picked. We can manually select different tools if we so please. Those are the ones that it's chose. And then we can do a simulation. Simulation is then going to confirm. If I pause this for a second, we'll make this window slightly bigger. Notice all my bends currently are red. It's required to do a quick simulation through the process of the machine. We'll slow this down to confirm that there's no collision with the part and die, the part against itself, the part with the machine, over tonnage of the machine. And as you can see, it's getting processed as it goes. We can back this up and start this over. We can see the bends. It's giving us in the simulation how the part goes in, what the effects are once it gets bent. Like in that case, it needs to be rotated, and so on and so forth. We come back up here, we'll pause this, come back up here to finger stops. That does the same thing if we were to roll this through once more. So there's our bend, gives us what happens. Here we'll go to second bend. That's how it's entered, and that's the effect that the part will have once it's bent through the bottom stroke. We can go through all of those bends, etc. So there you have it, guys. We took our part from a DXF, we threw it into RADAN 3D from upfolding, we passed it over to RADBEDN, and now we've successfully created a bend program. This has been Mike with RADAN. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you see here, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.